Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are so excited because we're finally checking out Spirit Halloween and see all the animatronics and costumes and stuff that they have. I'm super excited. We do this every year, and I was a little worried about if it was gonna happen this year, weren't you?
Yeah. I mean, are they even gonna have Halloween?
They have to have Halloween, so if you already know what you're gonna be for Halloween this year, let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you get to see all of our videos. All right, I am so ready to check out all the animatronics. I don't know if they're gonna have a haunted house though. Are you gonna get scared this year?
No.
No?
No.
No, not at all, not even a little bit? Are you gonna be the one that like sets up all the are you gonna step on the stuff?
Yeah?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, and I know what I want to be for Halloween.
What?
Luna from Harry Potter.
Ooh, oh, we're already picking out our characters.
Are you gonna do it? Who's gonna do it?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Okay.
Alright, let's walk through. Ooh, how about this one? What's that one do?
Guys, you want to do it?
It'll work for me.
No, not for you.
I'll do it.
Alright, your turn.
Your turn.
This one, Brown Rose. Brown Rose.
You want to do that one? No.
I thought it's not scary. Alright, somebody step on it.
Alright, who's doing it for me?
Whoa. I wasn't expecting that.
Here we go.
Whoa. Ooh, how about this one?
Alright, Barry, you doing that one?
How about this one, Brown Rose?
Step it out. No, you do it. You haven't done it.
Oh, it's my turn? Ooh, we gotta walk through here.
Alright, that's it.
Alright. Stay in the footsteps. Stay in the footsteps. Did he get you?
This is new. I haven't seen this one before.
Oh. He said he wants to play.
Ooh. Play what?
You want to play?
You got a new friend.
You want to go swing?
You want to
Yeah?
play?
I'll give you the 3-second head start to get lost.
Ooh, 3-second head start. Ready?
Who you calling a clown? You don't know who you're messing with.
Ooh. Alright. Oh, you gotta step on harder than that. Alright, you do it. See if it works. I don't know if it's gonna work. Now? Not working? Yeah, you found a rat. Yeah. This one's got a lollipop.
No, look, there's a daisy on it.
Hey, he's got free candy. You want free candy?
Alright, go ahead.
I can't bear to watch scary things. I'm such a sensitive soul. Perhaps you come closer and keep away the boogeyman.
Ooh. Whoa.
Oh, Pennywise.
Ew.
Pennywise is crazy.
That's scary, isn't it? That one's scary too.
Take all of you.
Oh, Pennywise. You'll float too.
He's gonna be brave enough to step in front of the Fright in the Box.
Fright in the box?
You're hiding from.
You're hiding.
You're hiding.
Then when they walked in, they said they weren't scared.
I know. I'm not scared. I'm tough. Ooh,
I'm tough this year.
I'm not doing that if it's in the box.
All right, are you doing it?
I'll do it.
You gonna jump?
Oh, come on. This is the one I want to see work.
No?
No?
Step on it?
Don't step on it.
Daisy, you gotta come step on it for your mom.
It's not working for me. Please step on it.
Ready out there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll step.
Oh.
Look it go up.
Are you ready to see this one?
Oh, it's a sensor. Alright, let's see what's inside.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Oh, that would be so
I
scary.
really would like to see that one work.
I'd be so scared if that jumped up.
Oh, that would be the scariest one I think.
That would be scary.
You want to peek what's in there? Come here.
It's a sensor.
Maybe you have to pull that thing.
No,
No,
it's a sensor right here.
Here, come peek and see what's inside, Rose.
You want to see what's inside?
Here. I got you. Come on here.
Let's see what's inside.
Ready? Ready? And...
Oh.
Oh.
Alright, Rose, she wants to play.
I found a girl. Look at size. What do you think?
Why do you look so scared? Everyone in the graveyard just wants to be friends.
I just want to be friends. You want to be friends?
I love the cemetery, especially at midnight.
Ooh.
When it's colder. When the
Okay,
other
we'll just
children
walk
are
away
all
over here.
asleep.
What was this one do?
Oh wow, this one looks like really...
I don't know.
I don't know.
Look at me.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Just
Uh-oh.
as all
Uh-oh. Oh no.
that I have you
Oh no. Oh.
will be mine
Whoa.
forever.
Oh. Man. Oh. That's not scary, is it?
Oh, and there's a light. So then not know. It looks like there's a light.
Oh, shining. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know about that. Ooh, what just happened?
I don't know. Bro, it's not like that one.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Oh, scary.
Ooh, look, a rat. It's a two-headed rat.
Ooh,
Ooh.
it's a mutant rat.
Ooh, mutant rat. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh,
Those are all new.
this looks good.
This looks new too.
This looks friendly.
Alright, Barry.
Alright, it's your turn. Your turn, Daisy. You gonna try it? Why are they so scared? Alright, I guess it's you.
Okay. Ready?
Alright. Why'd you jump?
Because look at the thing. It thing's creepy.
Ooh, that's creepy. I don't know about
Still
that.
growling.
Still.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go here. Alright, let's try this one. Who's stepping? Whoa.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh. Is it a zombie? I think it's a zombie.
You think so?
I think so.
I think it's supposed to be Grandma.
The Walking
Is it
Dead.
grandma?
Alright.
Oh, there it is. She's still your height.
She is.
You did walk in
Look.
the way.
Oh, you wanna play with her? Frenzies. No?
Long time.
Whoa.
Can I keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret?
Oh.
Can anybody keep it? Ooh, I don't know. You can help keep a secret? Alright.
I don't want to wake up my mother.
Ooh.
She's been sleeping
No,
for
no.
a long
Don't wake up her mother. Ooh, that's
That was
scary. It is.
There's
What's this? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Her head's spinning around. Oh. You want a doll? I'll buy you a doll if you want it. No? No doll? Doll? No doll? No? You got more dolls. Alright, press that button. See what happens. What happens if we press this button?
This way, boys and ghouls. Hold hands and close your eyes. Prepare for your demise.
Alright, Pumpkinhead. Or Scarecrow?
Let's go for
Which one?
You can knock all you want, but the bell is inside my mouth. I dare you to ring it.
I can open the door for you, but I'm so stuffed that I can't move.
bad joke.
Hello again. I almost didn't recognize you. You smell so different. Come in.
You're a witch. Rest in pieces.
Whoa.
Okay, that was a lot of fun. They have so many new animatronics this year. I am so excited about it, guys. But they did have a haunted house. So I don't know if other spirits have haunted houses, but this one did not have a haunted house. So we need to find a haunted house to go to this year. What do you say, girls?
Yeah, we need to find a haunted house.
What about you, Rose? Are you ready?
We have one in our backyard.
All right, should we make our own haunted house? Let us know, guys. What do you think? Should we make our own haunted house? That would be creepy. I have the perfect idea.
No snakes.
All right, guys, so stay tuned for our next videos.